Hello everyone, I had ordered Easter Forerunner 1248 NV Harmonica from Chandrama Art and I have received it. Thanks Chandrama Art for sending it to my address and of course with care, and I shall open it now. So this is the image of the harmonica and this is the details of Chandrama Art from where I have bought this harmonica. Please see the description box for details of Chandrama Art. Wow, so nice harmonica at this range. It's looking very attractive. It really looks like very expensive harmonica. It's quite lightweight, so the numbers are well written. It is 12 hole and this mouthpiece is also round shaped. I prefer this type of shape more because if it is square shaped it cut the lips. However, this shape is quite smooth, we can play quite smoothly. It's as per my choice. And this is Forerunner 1248 NV, sorry, 1248 NV. I suppose this NV means no valve. There is no valve in this harmonica, and if there is no valve, it may happen that you have to give a little more force to blow it compared to the harmonicas having valves. But due to humidity, temperature change and all, there will be no problem in it because there is no valve. Most of the time what happens is, due to temperature change, moisture and all, the valve sticks. As there is no valve, there will be no problem of valve sticking. So that's why actually I have bought this type of harmonica. This is my first harmonica without valve. The slider is also very smooth. Yeah, so quite a good harmonica at appearance. Now don't know about the sound quality yet, so let's check it. At first I thought that it do not have any valve, so I have to give more pressure to blow it. However, after I played, I realized that nothing much pressure is to be given to it. A little blow can produce such a huge sound. I have got a cleaning cloth along with it and one instruction manual where I have got the whole instructions and some tips and tricks, maintenance tips, safety instructions.